This is a box, and inside are 84 different color samples. Welcome to You Send, We Spray, where you guys send us colors that you think might look cool on a car, and we test them and spray them full scale. This company was nice enough to send us this incredible box with 84 different pearl samples in it. And if you're the type of person who likes to watch us experiment and combine a bunch of different colors together, this video is going to be right up your alley. Gabe and I identified this group of pearls that we think might go together really well. I'm going to walk you through them right now, so sit back and relax. We've got a little bit of time to hang out together. First, we've got Pear. Then we've got Pickle. And then banana, apple, fruit, and canary. So if you notice a trend here, they're all edible. Canary in an emergency situation?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we've got, they sent us some chameleon or color shifts as well. So we picked this color shift, which is the only one that they sent that is inside of this color palette. So I'm going to show you each one. We're going to combine them together, and we're going to spray it down over a neutral black base here. So let me show you Canary first. This is going to be a very bold, yellow, but a deep yellow, not kind of like a yellow submarine style. So we'll pop that bad boy in there. And then we've got Fruit, very generic name. This is a very cool looking green. So we've got a lot of greens, yellows, golds. Fruit is a little softer, but very cool looking.
It almost reminds me of Frosted Pear a bit.
It does, which means we named Frosted Pear properly. So my plan here, by the way, as we go, is to put all of them in on top and then just blend them all together. Does that make sense?
Yeah, they look nuts falling down.
Yeah, they do. All right, so this is Apple. This is the one that really caught my eye, if you will. I like this one a lot. This one's a little bit more fun, a little bit more bold. So Apple going in.
I am a sucker for greens.
Yeah, we know. We've seen your modified Audi. Banana. Another yellow, but completely different than the Canary. Yeah, I like this one too. Okay. Oh, wow, silvery. Banana is very silvery. I don't know why they named that banana, to be honest with you, but I guess in the bag.
I guess it's kind of properly named.
Yeah.
Then it has a white center, yellow on the side.
Oh, yeah, good point. All right, Pickle. I liked this one. This one looked different. This is going to be one of those snow globe episodes.
Pickle reminds me of like that BMW color.
It's exactly what it is, that M4 color. What is the name of that one?
I do not remember.
I like that. Okay, Pickle going in. All right, they're starting to combine on their own over here. Got a little bit of a reaction already. All right, Pear. Pear is another very soft green. Okay, little, silvery again. Almost on the seafoamy side. That's very nice. Okay, should I mix them together first and then put the color shift in? Because I feel like the color shift being a 25 gram bag is just gonna kind of overpower a little bit. Let's blend our fruit and canary mixture first.
I wonder if we should kind of witch's brew style slowly add that chameleon.
Yeah, don't overdo it. We've got something very nice right here. I almost don't want to ruin this. Oh, we're at one of those unplanned crossroads. I like that. This is dark. This is dark. Let me show them the powder. All right, we don't know. Whenever you have a color shift or chameleon, you don't know what it's really going to do until you get it down on the base. So this is giving me kind of like olive, blueberry, bluegill vibes, which should be green and almost like a plumish purple.
Hints of gold.
I don't want to ruin it.
That's a pretty awesome green right there.
I really like this color, and I did not expect to like this color this much. Check it over Stick of Truth. Yeah. I mean, what would happen if we tried to go ultralight pigment load with this kind of a blend over a black base?
It's going to be dark.
What do you think of that? I kind of like that. You want to do it?
We could try it.
Instead of popping this in and ruining it?
Sure.
All right, we're going to run with it. So this concoction going down. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, the mixing portion of this video, we had a blast doing that. The spraying portion, not so much. Anytime you mix together this many different pearls, they're likely to fight against each other. And we did have a little bit of trouble spraying the car, but we got it done. We're gonna bring it outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate it for us 1 through 5. Let us know if you love it or if you don't. And if you want to change the color of your own car, whether it's peelable or permanent, we have a ton of kits and a ton of colors. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Again, Gabe and I love doing stuff like this. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.